Donald Trump won the election and Bitcoin hit a new all-time high. It is safe to say we are so back, and 2025 is going to be a life-changing year for many of us. And if you shorted the market in these past week or two and you thought you were a genius that it was going to dump and that one guy who told me we're going into the ice age, see you guys in 10 years, sucks to be you. Just saying, this is why people always want doom and gloom. Now, obviously, it's not smooth sailing. We still have time to watch the market appreciate, but I stayed up last night with my Discord. We were watching the election to see what happened. They kept telling us on the news, "Go ahead, guys, go to sleep. It's okay. We'll tell you in the morning." I'm like, "No, no, no, no. I'm staying up." And around I think 2:15 or 2:30 in the morning, they announced Trump was the winner. So it's good for crypto. It's definitely good for crypto. And not to make this a political video, but obviously, if you were watching the graphs yesterday, you saw your crypto for the most part go up. Bitcoin went up, Ethereum went up, Salana went up, many altcoins went up. But as always, welcome back to an episode of Coffee with John or Coffee John. Get your tea, get your coffee. Cheers to you. And now let's go see what's out there in the news. This election cycle, the crypto industry poured over $100 million into races across the country, hoping to assert crypto's relevancy as a voter issue and usher pro-crypto candidates into office. On Wednesday morning, all the wishes came true. Donald Trump won handily against his Democratic opponent, Kamala Harris. As Trump's numbers ascended on Tuesday night, Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, topping 75K. Yes, it was awesome last night. Crypto-related stocks, including Robinhood, MicroStrategy, also left upward. Enthusiasts now believe that Trump's administration will strip back regulation of the crypto industry and that a favorable Congress will pass legislation that gives the industry more room to grow. Yeah, I agree. I definitely do agree. This is a huge win for crypto. Christian Smith, CEO of the Blockchain Association. I think we really turned a corner and we got into the right folks in place to get the policy settled once for all. It's especially good for us too for this cycle and also next cycle too, because he'll be out of office in 2029, which that should be the hopefully like towards the end of the next cycle. So this is good on many levels. My personal opinion, obviously, don't care if you vote against Trump. I really not here to debate. I'm just telling you, in terms of crypto, it was the win that we needed. Perhaps most importantly, Trump vowed to oust Gary Gensler, the chair of the SEC, who has brought many lawsuits against crypto projects for allegedly violating security laws. Gensler is a widely revealed figure in the crypto industry, with many accusing him of stifling innovation. Gensler conversely argued that it was his job to protect consumers from the massive crypto collapses that unfolded in 2022, including Terra Luna and FTX. Yeah, okay, he didn't do that. So Gensler's term isn't up until 2026, but some analysts expect him to resign once Trump takes office, which is January, so I guess we'll see. As previous SEC chairs have done after the president that appoint them lost their elections. Oh, yeah, so it can't be day one yet for Trump because he gets inaugurated, obviously, in January, but it'd be really funny if you fired him right away. A change to SEC leadership could allow many more crypto products to enter mainstream financial markets. For the past few years, the SEC has been hesitant to approve crypto ETFs. Yep, I remember that. Investment vehicles that allow people to bet on crypto without actually holding it. That's the whole benefit to an ETF. It's the same in stocks. Instead of buying a stock like Apple, Google, Microsoft, you buy, say, the S&P 500, VOO, an ETF index fund, which you essentially get shares of every single crypto in that index, which in the S&P 500's case is the 500 top companies in the U.S. So in crypto, it's the same thing. You're not buying Bitcoin specifically or Ethereum specifically. You're buying a basket of cryptos, so your risk is minimized and your exposure is to a higher extent than other asset classes. But a judge forced Gensler's hand bringing Bitcoin ETFs onto the market in January. Now under a friendlier SEC, ETFs based on smaller cryptos like Salana and XRP maybe next. I hope Salana comes next. Many crypto enthusiasts are also excited by Trump's alliance with Elon Musk. Yeah, I did see Elon quite a few times yesterday in the past few days was tweeting about Trump. So that's definitely a good sign. Who has long championed crypto on social media, if that's even a word. On election night, Dogecoin's Musk preferred meme coins by 25% rather to 21 cents. Impact in the Senate. Crypto enthusiasts are also cheering the results in the Senate, which was the focus of most of the industry's political contributions. Crypto PACs like Fairshake spent over $100 million supporting pro-crypto candidates and opposing anti-crypto candidates in the hopes of fomenting a new Congress that would pass legislation favorable to the industry. Essentially, lobbyists hope for a bill that would turn over crypto regulation from the SEC to the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, a much smaller agency, which, by the way, they deemed Ethereum a commodity, the CFTC, which is good, contrary to what the SEC was saying. Well, he didn't really say Ethereum was a security gunsler. He just couldn't answer the question when he was directly asked in court, which was funny if you remember that video where he was shaking his hand. Crypto PACs focus on efforts in Ohio. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what else. Crypto enthusiasts celebrated the accuracy of prediction markets, which allowed users to bet on election results using crypto. Did you bet on the election? Just curious. Drop a comment down below and let me know. I personally didn't. All my money's in crypto. Risking it, but for me, it's my future, and I think crypto is the future, and I think this run's going to be huge. It's going to be massive. So I am all in crypto. Critics, on the other hand, dismissed them as being too volatile. Okay, let's see what else. It's unclear how dedicated Trump actually is to crypto. That is true. Or whether he will follow through on his pledges to the industry. One can hope so. If he doesn't deliver on these promises quickly, the euphoria could turn to disappointment, which has the potential to result in crypto market volatility. That's also true. I do agree. In the short term, anyway, not the long term, but yeah. We have to be prepared for this because the reality is that crypto isn't the most important issue on Trump's current agenda. Yes, that is also true. I agree. But for now, most crypto fans believe that a bull run in which prices increase is imminent. I agree. And that regulatory change is incoming. I don't think we're going to see the same kind of hostility from the government, particularly members of Congress, as we have in the past. I agree. This is really positive news for all parts of the ecosystem. Also agree. How do you guys feel about the election results? How do you feel about this article? Do you agree, disagree? Do you think the bull cycle is going to be bigger now? Do you think it's going to be the same? Just curious. Drop your comment down below and let me know. And as always, name your funniest nickname for me in the chat. I saw a lot of funny ones in the last few days, and you guys are getting very creative. So I do read those comments. Definitely drop down your funniest one. Let's get into crypto bubbles. We'll go into. Let's see what's going on. As you can tell, a lot of green. A lot of green. This is, definitely because Trump won the election, in my opinion. I think this put us in a frenzy, and also Bitcoin reached a new all-time high. So it was definitely fun to watch. Let's go to the 800s. Another huge green ocean. Aside from Trump, Dolan Trump went down. See a lot of crypto up today, which is nice. A lot of meme coins are up. I see a lot of coins are up today. Not bad. Not bad. Wow. Did you ever see this much green before? This is awesome. This is like Christmas somewhat coming earlier. This is honestly awesome. So much green. I mean, I love buying on the red, but I'm okay with chilling and just waiting for green. Wow, look at this. What's this one? X Empire, that's right. Lucy. Was a mini dog or mini? Oh, it's a cat. That's a cat. Thank you. I'm surprised MAGA is down. People just use it to ride the wave with Trump, and I guess they want to sell off because he already won, which makes sense. Which is why you got to be careful if you got, if you were on the other end of the stick on that one, because that one is definitely looks like it's dumping heavily. Wow, a lot of meme coins are up today. I see many here. I mean, utility coins are up too, though. This is actually very, very good. All the Trump coins got sold off, you see? They all got sold off. This one went down in half. Crazy. Cow? What's this one? Andy's up a lot. Is it on Ethereum or Salana? Let's see this. There's Moonwell, almost back to 9 cents. Not bad, not bad. Here's Artblock. Had a nice little recovery. That's a pretty big jump. Wow, very few red bubbles. Most of them are just the political meme coins because the election's over, so they all sold off. But that's a lot of green. I see, wow, even the top 100 is all green, which again, it follows Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin's right here. Look at that. Even Bitcoin's got a pretty decent sized bubble. Wow, this one's almost $1 billion market cap. This one just popped in there. What is it? Yeah, just popped in there. Top 100. Caspa, still close to 12 cents. Okay. Uniswap's up a lot today. I guess because the liquidity is higher. Not bad. Not bad. Question for you. Did you guys buy any crypto today? Did you wait? What are you personally doing? I'm just waiting. I do want to get crypto soon. I'm waiting to see if we see a sell the news scenario. We also have the FOMC meeting taking place tomorrow, and they'll have a decision Friday. They should be cutting interest rates again. If they do something surprising, we could see more of this. I mean, we usually do anyway, but I think they're going to cut interest rates, which will put us more into a bullish territory come Q1 2025, and also to end the year in Q4. My tip of the day is to just cash up, enjoy the green, go about your day, go to the gym, and just relax. If you're coming into the market right now and you're asking me, am I too late? No, you're not. But I would say start doing your research, and if possible, join a group. I really think a group is important during this time. Anyone can buy a crypto. A freaking robot can buy a crypto, but taking profits effectively and having the leadership of a group and be able to ask questions, get your answers, it really does help, especially when it comes to altcoin season, which will come, and it's going to be very aggressive, very fast. And if you're just being a lone wolf during this, you're going to miss out, or worse, ride your portfolio up all the way to the bottom. So if you want to be there for my next buy alert, trade alert, if you want to, talk to me, talk to other investors who have made 6 or 7 figures already, see my profit taking course, my research course, or be a part of the VIP Q&A live streams, then I encourage you to join my Discord. I'll put a link in the pinned comments down below. Now let's get into coin market cap, and let's see what's going on there with the fear and greed and Bitcoin dominance, which definitely has changed most likely. So fear and greed is 62. Market cap is 2.5 trillion, which is a lot larger than before. And the dominance is closer to 60%, which is definitely where I saw it happening. Let's just pull up this tab. So yesterday, the fear and greed was 50. We're up in greed because Trump literally won. They were waiting yesterday to see who won. If Kamala won, you're going to see it go right down to this orange zone in fear. But because Trump won, it's in greed. So just want to say that. That was definitely a big player. Let's see what Bitcoin dominance is looking like. Almost 60% Bitcoin, which yesterday it was up a little bit. Ethereum is still 13%, others 27%. I would say Salana is definitely in there somewhere. Altcoin season index. So we went up a few points. Well, 2 rather, 27 yesterday, 29 today. When this thing gets up to here, oh my God, it's going to be awesome. It is going to be awesome. You have no idea. You guys remember Nappa from Dragon Ball Z? That's going to be altcoin season. You're going to see a rocket ship and an explosion of wealth, just like Nappa from Dragon Ball Z. But I digress. Let's get into some charts now. Let's see Bitcoin. Do you have Bitcoin, by the way, in your portfolio? Let me know down below in the comments. So Bitcoin's up 10% in a day. That's really good. Hence why we saw it pretty big in the crypto bubbles. Past 7 days, 6%. Past month, this is very good for Bitcoin, 20%. That's a 14,000 gain, or 13,000 roughly, which is amazing for Bitcoin. And over the course of a year, it's higher. And the sentiment went up 1% because it went to an all-time high. The sentiment is pretty much following the price action. It is, but like 75, 76K. Oh damn, 76K. We just hit it. And now it's down. Yeah, wow. This is awesome. A new all-time high, 76K, right on camera. Let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum is about to break 2,700, up 11%, past 7 days, past month. Yeah, this is good for Ethereum, a nice recovery, especially in the past day. The sentiment is also increasing. Let's check out Salana now. Solana's up 13%, might break $200 any minute. I wouldn't be surprised if by tomorrow this thing's $200 or by next week, if not sooner. 85% sentiment bullish, past 7 days, 8%. Past month, that's a very, very good gain. Let's check out some of our other plays. Let's see some gains. Artblock up 7% in the past day, down 6%. Okay, not bad. Let's check out Casper now. Casper had a decent gain in the past day. Still down though. Let's pull up Moonwell. Yeah, so most altcoins right now are up like 10% in the past day, which is pretty phenomenal. The focus is still Bitcoin though, obviously, because Bitcoin dominance is high, but this is great. 20% gain for Aerodrome. Wow, that is very nice. I think I saw Shapeshift Fox too was up a decent amount. Let me see. Yeah, Shapeshift Fox, man, this one's up a lot for us. 31%. That is awesome. Let's pull up some more. Penguins up 8%. Not bad. Let's pull up the Tensor Tau. The Tensor Tau, 15%. Wow, this one is so freaking strong. Let's pull up MAV token. Let's see how MAV's doing. MAV did not have a rally. Wow. That's pretty crazy. But, I'm still optimistic about that one. Let's check out GFI next. Let's see if GFI had a recovery. Looks like it did, back to $1.50. This one's up. It went all the way down to near $1 a week ago. It's still down the month though. But yeah, these altcoins, you still have some that are down a lot, which is good. Let's go see some meme coins now. Let's see if they had a nice recovery. Turbo. This one's up roughly, 5%. So you can tell that a lot of utility coins are up, and meme coins, they're somewhat up, but some utility coins are outperforming meme coins right now because Bitcoin's up, and I think Bitcoin sparks a lot of utility coins. Actually, Hoppy's up 20%, so never mind. Meme coins are doing very well too. I mean, Hoppy, this is over a 3x for us, doing very well. Now let's check out Dragy and see if Dragy went up. Looks like Dragy's up 50%. See, it follows Hoppy. That's very good. Very glad to see that. I see the sentiment is still very bullish. See, Dragy is risky, but seeing a 50% gain in the past day is very good. So, I mean, every meme coin's a risk, but, I want to see Dragy succeed. I mean, it's a freaking dragon. It's awesome. It's a community takeover, which, it's decentralized. So I want to see Dragy do well. I really am rooting for Dragy. But yeah, so right now, some altcoins had a good rally so far. Some are still flat. Some are still like, in recovery stage. But regardless, now it's definitely the time to look at your watch list and see what's up and what's not. And whatever is not up, if you have some funds, by all means, DCA. But you don't have to always, buy either. You could just wait, see what happens, see if we have a sell-off event. We saw Bitcoin hit 76K on camera, which is amazing. They're probably going to break 80K very soon, if not by the end of this month. I think actually the end of the week, we could break 80K. By the end of the year, I see us at roughly 85, 90K, 90K probably. I know it sounds like, well, John, that's not a lot, but I just see another potential mini sell-off traders. But once we get to that 90K and we hold, that's where we're talking about 100K. And then once we break that 100K, the floodgates are going to open. It's going to be an amazing run. Mark my words. But anyways, now I want to hear from you. How do you feel today about the market and what moves are you currently making? Drop your comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Really helps so much. That being said, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time.